Hello, the viewers. This is the Uniden speaking. I am here because, well, it's been a long time since I've been to the phone's cabinet. But, anyways, the Luna. This is your requested video, and it is to do the ringtones on the Uniden D3280-2 DECT 6 Cordless the Telephone Duo with the speakerphones on both handsets, even though I only have one handset and not the other. And of course the Bluetooth sub-to-link feature, which is pretty interesting, and the infamous Digitan Answering the Machine. So what we got going on here is we need to go ahead and do the ringtones again. Let me try that again. Alrighty then, the Luna. That would be it for the video. May God bless every one of you.